Whoever told you that you cannot find a reliable car for under $5,000, either they do not know what they're talking about, or they're trying to sell you something overpriced. But guess what? That is not true. These 13 best cars to buy when you are broke are not only affordable, they are shockingly reliable, low maintenance, and downright impressive for their price. We are starting with a classic that stood the test of time, and will end with an underrated gem that is guaranteed to blow your mind. So stick around, because today, we are diving into the 5 worst cars that no one buys, according to Consumer Reports. These are not just bad cars, they are financial traps on wheels. From engines that fail prematurely to repair bills that will make you cry, these vehicles are a nightmare waiting to happen. Hello everyone. Buying a car is one of the most important decisions you will ever make. But what if I told you that some cars are so problematic, they are practically designed to drain your wallet and test your patience? And trust me, the last car on this list is so unreliable, it is practically a guarantee that you will be visiting the mechanic more often than you visit your own family. Let us get started. Car number 5. Chevrolet Blazer. At number 5, we have the Chevrolet Blazer. On the surface, it looks sleek and modern, but do not let that fool you. This SUV is a masterclass in disappointment. Priced at a steep $44,000, the Blazer struggles with engine stalling, electrical glitches, and poor reliability, especially in the 2020 to 2021 models. Fuel efficiency? A pathetic 20 mpg. And let us not forget the rapid depreciation that will make your resale value vanish faster than your patience. Owners also face sky-high insurance premiums, expensive repairs, and subpar crash test results. The vehicle's design may be appealing, but its performance is far from it. The interior lacks the quality expected at this price point, with substandard materials and an outdated infotainment system. Furthermore, the Blazer's handling and ride quality are often criticized for being unrefined, making long journeys less comfortable than anticipated. The combination of poor reliability, high maintenance costs, and disappointing driving experience makes the Chevrolet Blazer a hard pass for anyone in the market for a dependable SUV. Up next is car number 4, Lincoln Aviator. Coming in at number 4 is the Lincoln Aviator. This luxury SUV starts at $53,000 and can go up to $88,000 for the top-tier Black Label trim. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it is anything but. The Aviator is plagued by reliability issues. Models from 2020 to 2024 have faced recalls for serious problems, including electrical system failures and even faulty airbags. And let us talk about fuel economy, just 18 mpg combined. That is embarrassing for a luxury SUV. When you compare it to rivals like the BMW X5 or Audi Q7, the Aviator falls flat. Its interior, although initially impressive, has been reported to have premature wear and tear, diminishing the overall luxury feel. The infotainment system, while packed with features, is often criticized for being slow and unresponsive. Moreover, the Aviator's ride quality is not as smooth as one would expect from a luxury vehicle, with noticeable road noise and a firm suspension that does not absorb bumps as well as its competitors. Combined with the high maintenance costs and frequent trips to the repair shop, the Lincoln Aviator is more of a luxury headache than a luxurious ride. Moving on to car number 3, Volvo XC60. At number 3, we have the Volvo XC60. This compact SUV is priced at $53,000 and looks stunning with its sleek design and premium interior. But do not let the looks deceive you. The 2024 model alone has faced 3 major recalls, and owners report transmission problems, engine stalling, and infotainment system failures. Even the driver assist features, which are supposed to make you feel safe, often malfunction. Fuel efficiency? A mediocre 22 mpg combined. And with sky-high maintenance costs, the XC60 is more of a money pit than a luxury ride. Additionally, the reliability issues extend to the turbocharged engines, which are prone to overheating and require expensive repairs. The interior, although beautifully designed, suffers from a cramped backseat and limited cargo space, making it less practical for families. The ride quality, while generally comfortable, can be compromised by the stiff suspension, especially on rough roads. The combination of high ownership costs, frequent mechanical issues, and less than ideal practicality makes the Volvo XC60 a challenging choice for anyone seeking a reliable and luxurious compact SUV. Next in line, car number 2, Rivian R1T. Taking the number 2 spot is the Rivian R1T, an electric truck that starts at $71,700 and can go up to $111,700 for the top-tier model. It is innovative, sure, but it is also riddled with problems. Owners report software glitches, suspension issues, and delays in repairs. The 314-mile range is decent, but Rivian's unique charging connector and limited charging stations make long trips a hassle. In 2024, the R1T faced 4 recalls, including airbag and accelerator pedal issues. Charging interruptions and limited technician availability add to the frustration. The build quality, while initially impressive, has shown inconsistencies, with some owners experiencing issues with panel alignment and paint quality. The interior, though spacious and modern, has been reported to have issues with the touchscreen interface, which controls most of the vehicle's functions. This over-reliance on technology can be problematic when software glitches arise, leaving drivers frustrated and inconvenienced. While the R1T's off-road capabilities and electric performance are commendable, the overall ownership experience is marred by reliability concerns, high maintenance costs, and limited support infrastructure. If you are looking for reliability, this is not it. Finally, we have car number 1, Ford Bronco. And finally, the worst car on our list, the Ford Bronco. This rugged SUV starts at $39,600 and can go up to $89,350 for the Raptor trim. It is built for adventure, but owning one is an adventure you do not want. Reliability is a major issue. Recalls plague the 2021 to 2023 models, including a cracked fuel injector that could cause fires. Owners also report transmission problems, noisy engines, and valve train issues. The interior feels cheap, the infotainment system is outdated, and the ride is uncomfortably stiff. Fuel economy? A dismal 17 mpg. While the Bronco's off-road capabilities are impressive, its on-road performance leaves much to be desired, with a bumpy ride and poor handling. The cabin, although spacious, lacks the refinement and quality materials expected in this price range. The user interface of the infotainment system is dated, with slow response times and limited features compared to its competitors. Furthermore, the Bronco's high ownership costs, frequent mechanical issues, and subpar comfort make it a tough sell for anyone looking for a reliable daily driver. Stay far, far away. You will not believe how bad some of these SUVs are and how insanely good others have become for 2025. We have done all the digging, so you do not have to. Today, we are breaking down the 5 worst and 7 best SUVs you can buy in 2025. And trust me, one of the worst picks might shock you. It is a fan favorite that completely missed the mark this year. Stick around till the end because the number 1 best SUV on our list is an absolute game changer. Let us dive in with the 5 worst SUVs you will want to avoid. And there you have it, the 5 worst cars that no one buys, according to Consumer Reports. If you are in the market for a new car, do yourself a favor and avoid these models. Your wallet and your sanity will thank you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss our next video, where we will reveal the 5 best cars you can buy in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.